Welcome curious souls of the streaming universe to the perplexing world of Netflix error code tvq-st-128. Picture this, you are all set for a cozy night in, ready to embark on a thrilling binge-watching session. Suddenly, your screen displays an enigmatic code tvq-st-128, interrupting your entertainment escape like an unexpected plot twist in a mystery series. What dark sorcery lurks behind this peculiar error? Is it a clandestine message from the streaming overlords, a mischievous glitch, or an elaborate conspiracy to test our resolve? The legend of tvq-st-128 has baffled many streaming enthusiasts, becoming a modern-day riddle with a dash of weirdness. Some claims it's the digital manifestation of a cosmic glitch, while others suspect it's a secret initiation into a tech-savvy cult. Across forums and chat rooms, tales of encountering this quirky error abound. From performing intricate rituals involving unplugging devices and doing a quirky dance to summoning tech spirits for assistance, the methods attempted to banish this code are as eccentric as the error itself. But fear not, intrepid viewers. While tvq-st-128 may seem like a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside a streaming enigma, there are steps to navigate this peculiar phenomenon. Try the basics, restart devices, ensure a stable internet connection, update apps, or seek wisdom from the wizards of Netflix support. Embrace the weirdness, fellow streamers. In this digital landscape where codes and glitches create peculiar diversions, encountering the quirky tvq-st-128 error adds a bizarre yet oddly entertaining dimension to our streaming escape does. So embrace the oddities, for in the realm of technology, sometimes the most peculiar error make the most intriguing tales. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.